You don't get innovation without taking a little risk. Waupaca Foundry does a very good job of doing a lot of things internally. It's what drew me here was to have that complete process of design to install. Almost all the equipment in our facilities is built internally.
I didn't realize the opportunity that was here. Now that I've been here, it's opened my mind a lot to not only what Waupaca Foundry does, but maybe to how they can help other people grow in this industry, and that was a big game changer for me.
What we produce every day is very important for the community around us because our products go on all sorts of things that we interact with daily, and quality product means that that equipment or those vehicles are keeping everybody safe. If you don't know what you're looking to do, Foundry has a million opportunities for you. There's production, there's maintenance, there's technicians that are doing more programming, there's machinists, and from there you can work your way up to a whole host of things. And Foundry does a really great job of promoting people internally that are successful in their roles. It means a lot to me to be able to have come in and made an impact and done something new and be trusted with that opportunity, and to have continued to have been trusted to grow as an individual within the company.